Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. I just wanted to do a video on Bittrex, and I'm going to be doing some finishing up some trading. So what I just did was I just sold some of my SNT status network. I did pretty well in this one. I got in at 0.002053, and it got up to here, so I decided to go ahead and cash out some of it. And this is what I suggest to other people, so I'm making sure I do it myself, which is find your exit point. Alright, know where you're going to get in and get out of something. Now, when I first got into SNT, it was just on a dip, and that's why I bought it. I was doing research on different coins on CoinMarketCap, and I saw this one was down, so I said I'm going to go ahead and buy some. And I'm happy with selling some of these. And again, you never sell all of your coins. Never, ever, 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 ever sell all of your coins. You always keep some. Alright? But what I decided to do was, since it was up, I'm going to sell some of them, make back the money I put in, and a little bit of profit on top of that. Alright, so now I'm decided to go shopping because I have in my wallet, I have 0.064 bitcoins, so I think I'm going to go ahead and get some Ethereum. I don't have any in this account, so let me go ahead and go here to search. So I went to B markets, Bitcoin markets. I'm going to go to search bar, put in ETH, which is right here. And Ethereum is currently, let's see where it is, 881, 880. So that's kind of good. It's going down a little bit. It's on a little bit of a dip. There we go. So it's on a little bit of a dip. That's when you want to buy something, when it dips. This would have been a great price point right here to get in at, but you know what, it's all good. I don't have to, as long as I'm not getting it here at the top of the market, you know, I mind getting it down here. I don't mind. So let's see, go down a little bit further, and I'm going to go here, and so I clicked the top order right here, click that. And this actually I'm put here, let me see if it'll populate completely. No. Alright, I want to make sure I do it my way. So anyway, let's see, if I just get one Ethereum, that will be 0.057 bitcoins. I have 0.064, good, I just want one. So I'm going to buy one. Oh, I forgot to check the price. 0.05676, excuse me, and 0.0577, 0.05, I guess I can change this a little bit, 577, and 1, and confirm. You ordered and you bought one Ethereum. Alrighty, so I'll just keep that in my wallet, and that's good. That's good enough for me. If this is the year for Ethereum, then I'm kind of excited about that. I don't mind just having one for now in this wallet, and looking forward to the future for the new year coming up. I'll just save this bad boy right here and let it do its thing. Hopefully SNT will keep going up and doing well. Let's look on CoinMarketCap. This was the chart for just today for SNT. So this is an awesome day. Awesome, awesome, awesome day. So I bought it right at the right moment because, you know, who knows? You never know when these things are going to pop. This one popped, doubled my money in 24 hours, or whenever I bought it a couple days ago. So that's awesome. So anyway, that's all I'm doing for today. Sold half of that. I am now in the positive. Oh, that's the other thing I wanted to show you. So back to my account. So with this coin here, now that I have, we'll go back down to order history, wait for it to populate. So now that I have Yes. All right. So now I'm in the, I'm not sure if I said this earlier, but now I am in the green completely. So I don't have to worry about this coin. I already made my money off this coin. So if it decides to go through the roof, great. If it decides not to do anything at all for years and years, that's fine as well. I'm in the money, and this coin, wherever it decides to go, it's free money for me at this point. So anyway, that's all for today. I just wanted to show you my little purchase of Ethereum. Thanks, and have a good one.